Well, hello there. Here we are on Saturday, January 24th, 2026, and we have a big major winter storm coming. Up here in Ohio, we should be getting hit with a bunch of snow, and the people south of us are going to get that horrible freezing rain. But I wanted to get a look here of the drive in the street beforehand. Right now it's about 12:30 p.m. and the snow's supposed to start tonight about 7 p.m. and last until Monday afternoon, I think. And we should get about, who knows, 10 inches to a foot of snow. I see a kitty coming this way. Thinks I'm gonna feed him. But anyway, just want to get this beforehand. And let me feed the little one here and catch you later once the snow comes. So y'all take care. Hey, little one, what you doing? Yeah? Come on, we'll get you something to eat, okay? Yeah. All right. Bye now. Alrighty. Well, I thought since I already have the camera out here, we'd get a video of it too. Plowing. We're using the Greenworks snow blower, but it's only it only works well in fluffy snow, not the wet stuff. But we have good, I don't know, some places 2 inches, other places 4 inches, but I'll let this run and see how it goes. I shall return. Ooh. It's not self-propelled, but oh well. Just to show you, the Greenworks has 2 batteries you can put in there. And it works, sort of okay, but there are much better out there. More expensive too, but let's keep on going. All you do is push a button, pull the bar. funny. I already did up here. That was about 15 minutes ago. And I got half an inch of snow right here already. I figured I'd do it in several steps to keep up with it. If I can do it 3 times today, it'll be better because there's just no way I can do that. Use this with a foot of snow or even do it by hand. Getting too old for this shit. Nowadays. I can't see. Never do what I'm doing because the batteries are in, but doing it anyway. Anyway, so there we go. And it's snow covered again. Well, we'll wrap it up for now. It's probably about 9 a.m. now. I think we started about 8:30. All right. Be back. Bye now. Alrighty, it's been about 4 hours since the last time I plowed the drive, and we got a lot of snow. There's a good 4 inches now. And I, earlier this morning I did a good 2 to 4 inches. So let's keep on going.
Text my grandma if you need my help. I'll help you.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thanks, sweetheart.
That was real nice. That was Hunter, one of the neighbor boys. Came over to offer to help. That's the only family, after living here near almost 50 years, that's the only family now I know of Kevin and Carrie. They live across the street. A house over, but anyway, let me get back to it. We're out enjoying it. Well, I can't even see. We'll leave it there for now. Y'all take care. Bye now.